watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
There is something truly special about a farmhouse Christmas. It is not about perfect glitter or expensive showpieces. It is about warmth, natural textures, and a sense of nostalgia that makes everyone feel right at home. Today, I have gathered some beautiful and rustic decoration ideas to help you bring that cozy country charm into your space. From buffalo check patterns to natural greenery, let's explore how to style your home for the holidays. Let's get started. Start with a stunning tree featuring buffalo check ribbons and yarn balls. Adding pine cones and wood monograms creates that perfect rustic texture. Try a beautiful flock tree with neutral and buffalo check ribbons. Add silver ornaments and family photos for a personal, snowy look. Combine natural elements like cotton stems on a flock tree. Add plaid ornaments and small sign plaques for a touch of rustic elegance. Style a rustic mantle with vine balls, pine cones, and evergreens. Hang burlap stockings and place a firewood crate nearby for extra coziness. Go bold in the living room with a large wreath and mini trees. Mix colorful ornaments with wooden furniture to ground the look. For outdoor dining, set a bold table with an evergreen plaid runner. Add tall candles and scatter berries for a festive touch. Keep it simple with a red and plaid runner and woven placemats. A few flocked mini trees make for a peaceful dining experience. Focus on cheerful linens like red plaid napkins and chargers. Finish with fresh evergreens and red ornaments for a joyful setting. Use a paper runner topped with bold evergreens. Add snowy pine cones and buffalo check napkins to create beautiful visual interest. Place tall trees in the dining room corners. Layer a greenery runner with a striped one, adding rustic signs to complete the mood. A red and white theme never fails. Adorn your tree with snowflakes and berries, letting a plaid ribbon flow down for rustic charm. Mix textures on your mantle. Hang plaid stockings alongside a buffalo check bead garland and pine cones for a pop of nature. A Christmas print in a sleek frame adds modern charm. Choose prints with metallic accents to catch the light and add sparkle. Create nostalgia with vintage buffalo check stars and ribbons. Match them with cozy holiday pillows to tie the whole room together. A classic red sign with white calligraphy is always a good idea. It fits perfectly in any farmhouse-inspired interior. As you can see, farmhouse decor is all about mixing comfort with nature. Whether it is a simple plaid ribbon or a basket of pine cones, these small touches can make a big difference. I hope these ideas inspire you to create a warm and welcoming home this Christmas. Which idea was your favorite? Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.